You poor thing. Here's some food and some clothes for you.
Thanks.
No problem. Buddy, what is that?
Well, I said thanks.
I'm filming, don't you see? This is content. You know what viral means?
Yes.
Yeah, we need a viral video. You are my viral video. So give back my
sorry.
shit. I'm gonna come back up here. You're gonna cry, be super thankful, do some jumping jacks. Look excited,
I'm
okay?
sorry. Okay.
Hello there, sir.
Hi.
Here's some food, some clothes
Thank
for
you
you.
so much.
Nope. Don't cry, buddy. Don't cry. Okay, you deserve this just as much as we do, okay?
Thank you so much,
No
man.
problem. I'll come back here tomorrow and get you some more stuff, okay?
Thank you.
No problem. Keep crying.
Thank you so much. It means so much.
No problem, buddy. No problem. Give back my shit. I pay for this. Go get a job.